Hi, I'm Robert, and the most frequent question I get is what icing did I use in the how to frost a cake video? Well, today's icing, the one we're making today. It's a very versatile chocolate cream that I got from Chef Adi Hadian. It can be used both inside a cake or for frosting a cake, for cookies, for tarts. I used it for cupcakes. It's super good. We'll get started because it's very easy to make, you'll see. I'll leave the recipe in the description. We'll start with 166 grams of dark chocolate, to which we will add 40 grams of cream, and 2 egg yolks. The yolks will make the cream creamier. Mix well, because otherwise the yolks have a tendency to cook faster than the other ingredients and they're gonna form clumps. Okay, I'll put the kettle on a not a double boiler, on a hot water, making sure no water gets inside the kettle, and I'll mix continuously until the chocolate melts. Make sure you mix constantly, because as I said, you don't want any lumps forming inside. Okay, all the chocolate is melted and we got a very thick ganache. We'll set it aside and move on to the second part. In a bowl, I put 250 grams of mascarpone, cold mascarpone, 40 grams of cream, and 15 grams of powdered sugar. And mix well using a whisk. You could also use a hand mixer, but I find it easier to do it by hand. Okay, and now we just combine the two. We pour the ganache over the mascarpone and we mix. And we got a very shiny chocolate icing that you can start using directly. As I said, you can use it inside the cake or for frosting it. It's very versatile. One more thing I want to say is if you do too much icing and you get some left over, you can cover it with cling film and put it in the fridge. And when you need to use it again, you just heat it up a bit, but not too much. You whisk it and it's ready to use again. It will have the same fluffy texture, so it's really easy to reuse this frosting. I hope you like it and use it, and if you have any other questions, please leave a comment below. That's about it. Thanks for watching. Bye.